Music has a way of touching our souls and transporting us to another world. Whether you're an aspiring musician or someone who simply enjoys listening, there is something truly magical about the power of music. If you've ever found yourself captivated by the smooth melodies and intricate improvisations of jazz guitarists, then learning jazz guitar could be a transformative experience for your musical journey. In this article, we will explore how learning jazz guitar can unlock new dimensions in your playing, expand your musical horizons, and inspire creativity. Breaking free from traditional boundaries. One of the most exciting aspects of learning jazz guitar is breaking free from traditional boundaries. While other genres may rely heavily on structured chord progressions and rigid techniques, jazz opens up a world of possibilities for improvisation and personal expression. By embracing this freedom, you can unleash your creativity and develop a unique sound that reflects your personality as a guitarist. Developing advanced chord vocabulary. Jazz guitarists are known for their extensive knowledge of chords and voicings. Through studying jazz theory and practicing various chord progressions, you will expand your chord vocabulary exponentially. This newfound understanding will not only enhance your ability to play jazz but also enable you to bring fresh ideas into other genres as well. Improving technique and dexterity. Playing jazz requires nimble fingers and precise technique due to its complex harmonies and fast-paced improvisations. As you delve into the world of jazz guitar, you'll find yourself constantly challenging your technical abilities through scales runs, arpeggios, and intricate chord inversions. With regular practice comes improved finger dexterity, which can greatly benefit all areas of your playing. Enhancing ear training and music theory knowledge. Jazz musicians have an exceptional ability to hear complex harmonic progressions in real time while effortlessly navigating through them. By immersing yourself in jazz guitar, you will develop a keen ear for recognizing chord changes and melodic patterns. Additionally, learning jazz theory will deepen your understanding of music as a whole, allowing you to analyze and appreciate compositions on a deeper level. Building confidence in improvisation. Improvisation lies at the heart of jazz guitar playing. It is the ability to spontaneously create melodies and solos that truly sets jazz apart from other genres. Through practicing improvisation over various chord progressions, scales, and modes, you'll gradually build confidence in your ability to express yourself freely on the guitar. This newfound confidence can be applied not only to jazz but also to any genre where improvisation is valued. Expanding musical horizons. Learning jazz guitar opens up a vast repertoire of songs composed by legendary artists such as Django Reinhardt, Wes Montgomery, and Joe Pass, among others. Exploring this rich heritage will expose you to different styles within the genre, including bebop, swing, bossa nova, and fusion. This exposure will broaden your musical horizons and introduce you to new techniques and ideas that can be incorporated into your own playing style. Conclusion. Embarking on a journey into jazz guitar can be both challenging and rewarding. By breaking free from traditional boundaries while developing advanced chord vocabulary and technique, you'll unlock new dimensions in your playing that transcend genres. Moreover, enhancing ear training skills alongside deepening music theory knowledge will enable you to analyze compositions with greater precision, while building confidence in improvisation allows for personal expression like never before. Incorporating these elements into your musical journey expands horizons beyond imagination while creating an everlasting connection between artist and instrument, one that resonates deeply with both player and listener alike. So why wait? Unlock the melodic magic of learning jazz guitar today.